Inflation is a term we hear a lot, but what does it really mean for our savings? Imagine this. You've worked hard to save up a nice little nest egg, but as inflation rises, that money starts to lose its purchasing power. It's like watching your hard-earned dollars slowly melt away. Let's break it down. When inflation increases, the cost of goods and services goes up. That means the $100 you save today might only buy you what $90 could buy a year ago. Over time, this erosion can be significant. If you're not careful, your savings could end up being worth less than you think. So, what can you do about it? First, consider where you're keeping your money. Traditional savings accounts often offer interest rates that barely keep pace with inflation, if they even do at all. This means your money is effectively losing value while sitting there. Instead, look into high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit (CDs) that offer better interest rates. Next, think about investing. While it comes with risks, investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate can potentially outpace inflation over the long term. Historically, the stock market has provided returns that exceed inflation, which means your money can grow rather than shrink. Another option is to consider inflation-protected securities, like Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS. These are designed specifically to help your savings keep up with inflation, adjusting the principal value based on changes in the consumer price index. Don't forget about diversifying your investments. A mix of assets can help cushion against inflation's impact. Real estate, commodities, and even certain types of bonds can provide a hedge against rising prices. Lastly, keep an eye on your spending habits. Being mindful of where your money goes can help you adjust your budget to account for inflation. It's about making your dollars work harder for you. In a nutshell, inflation can feel like a thief in the night, quietly stealing the value of your savings. But with a proactive approach, by choosing the right accounts, investing wisely, and staying informed, you can protect your financial future and ensure your savings don't just survive, but thrive.